Let's continue. In this session, we are going to discuss Python object-oriented programming as part of Python for AWS. Let's continue Python object-oriented programming. Yeah, let's understand what is Python object-oriented programming. What is Python object-oriented programming? Till now, till now, we discussed scripting-oriented programming. Means means inside a Python, inside a Python program, let's say program 1.py, program 1.py, we discussed writing sequence of statements inside a Python program without any user-defined function, without any user-defined class and object. So writing sequence of Python statements, controlling using flow control statements, using collection framework, etc. So this is called scripting oriented programming. Scripting oriented programming. After this, we seen modular oriented programming. In modular oriented programming, we written multiple Python modules, let's say 1.py, and we written another module 2.py, 2.py, and then we written main module. In this, we accessed, we accessed, we accessed these two. Depends upon your requirement, we can reuse. So this kind of programming is called modular oriented programming. Modular oriented programming. Writing multiple modules, writing multiple modules, and you can reuse one module into another module, one module or multiple modules into another module. And next we discussed procedure oriented programming. Inside a Python program, inside a Python program, let's say program dot py. In this, we return function def function one. Yes, yeah. So writing functions f1, let's say inside this function, instead of writing statements directly, we take a function. Inside a function, we write the statements. Like this, we can write any number of functions inside a module. This kind of programming is processor-oriented programming. Now, now we are seeing object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, in object-oriented programming, we are going to write classes and objects. Let's say program.py, program.py. In this, in this, in this, writing classes, writing classes, and providing definition inside it, like def function one, function one, and implementation, implementation. And like this, we can provide multiple functions. And finally, creating objects like E1 equal to A then a1 dot function 1, a1 dot function 1. So like this, creating classes are class definition, object creation, class members access through the object. So writing class objects inside a Python program is called object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. Inside a Python module, writing classes and creating objects to a classes is called object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, everything is class and object. Python is pure object-oriented programming. In Python, everything is class and object. Clear writing?